Travelers Buddy YouTube channel. I'm in Cherai today, and I'm not sure whether many of you are aware that Kerala is doing a lot of promotion for adventure, water sport adventure.
So this is happening in a place called Munambam beach, which is 3 kilometers from Cherai beach, which is in Ernakulam district.
So I'm going to do jet ski today. Leo, Baba. Leo. I'm going to do this for the first time in my life.
They say it is quite safe also here, and for single they charge 600 rupees, and for double they charge 900 rupees, which 2 people can actually go in that. And they are very well organized also here. That's a ticket point.